I knew it didn't open, I'll tell you that much.
No, it opened, but
Wow.
it sort of just got tangled up hard.
I'm glad it didn't open.
Well, yeah. Not wrapped around.
No?
Your parachute,
Holy
right?
shit.
Pardon me? I didn't use it. Oh, you didn't use it? No, I should have.
That's more than tangled.
Yeah, that one there. Yeah, mine. I didn't use it, but I should have.
Holy shit.
I told Gino not to take it as a damn laundry.
Yeah, she.
Where the hell?
Yeah, she got all wound up in there some way. No. You'll be moving in a second. Yeah, it got wound up, didn't it?
Wow. That would be an understatement.
Still only pulled 6,900 RPMs.
I don't believe that's fucking tack.
I think
that thing's bullshit.
It's only 20 years old.
Need to put my computer in this thing. We're stuck at a 64, George. Under normal circumstances, that really isn't a bad place to be stuck at, though. Ready?
Yep.
All right, we're good.
Drop some gloves or something, partner.
Drop something right there, a towel.
Your feet.
Oh, it's all right.
You know anything important.
Hey, I don't want to race you tomorrow.
Yeah, it was all sorts of cattywampus. It was like through that, around it. No. Yeah, it was all sorts. What did I
Okay.
No good.
002 red, I told you.
Red, I'll tell you what, man.
I told you it's not me.
You raised the wheelie bar. Raised the wheelie bar.
It didn't shake either. Not that I felt.
Oh, it looked good.
I could feel it. Oh,
Could you?
I was bitching.
Oh, it looked great.
Oh, yeah.
It looked great.
Yeah, I could feel it hanging
It looked like you had to drive it just a little bit
Yeah.
down low. I don't know how it was on the big end.
No, I
but
totally felt it squat. Oh, it hang
Yeah.
the front end up there. I don't know. I just shifted when I shifted again too. By the
yeah,
way,
stupid light thing doesn't work. Huh?
I don't know. I never saw it.
Look at that RT though. Great.
Oh, I know. I told you
Better
guys.
than your last run.
Huh?
Lot cleaner than your last run.
Yeah, right?
See?
Yeah.
Their parachute was all sorts of screwed up.
I can't believe that.
I mean, through the net, around
no. Did it
It
pack
was-
okay? It seemed like it was packed all
it.
right.
Packed fine.
Ah, we can't win on that thing.
Yeah.
Can't win. Well, okay. All right, let's bring it home.
How'd that one feel?
Good.
Good. Good. Yeah, I saw my red light. I looked on the board. I saw it.
Yeah, okay, that's good. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
they don't know.
Oh, yeah. Not too often.
Well, no, but you've been having trouble, you know. So finally got her down there. Well, just not all the drivers.
Except my chute went under my wheelie bar.
Huh?
My chute went under the wheelie bar.
So did mine. Mine was all sorts of cattywampus on it.
Really?
Oh, bad. Huh.
Maybe there's a little
Side
look,
wind or
it went
something.
under, looking underneath.
That's what mine did. But mine went
Mine-
over and like bounced, and then the
Parking lot I saw.
the pilot went back.
Mine never goes
I
You know,
know.
when they go past the wall, there's brakes
I
in
did the
wall.
same
It could
thing.
be that there's like
I'm on the
crash.
throttle, about the mile per hour cone. I hit the chute, let off.
under. I went past finish line. I'm like, I'm going fucking way past it. God damn it. I'm gonna get all of it.
Well, we went 62. I don't
That's
know
what I thought I heard.
Okay.
If I
Yeah.
can get anywhere near that, I'll be happy.
I bumped my launch RPM, you know, because I told you the lights were suffering. 002 red.
This time?
Yep.
I had an 08.
Makes a huge difference.
I had an 018, but it's fucking.
But I went in a little deep too, because I've been doing that lately, because I know I've been slow, you know?
Yeah. Oh, that shift, that launch shift does everything.
It makes a huge difference.
It's massive.
Yeah. And I raised the wheelie bar, so the thing left and it just went, whoa, and I could see the front end of the air was
really?
bitching. Yeah, it was fun.
That's bitching.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
In that cool water, right?
All right.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
75.
Oh, okay. Was it hopping through the light?
No.
Oh, good.
What was a mile an hour?
Nothing kidding.
Oh. Yeah.
Not 190.
Man, I could see the front end. Yeah.